All right, class, welcome back to your Rubik's Cube project with Mr. Ramft. We are now heading on to step number 4, which is called the yellow cross. Now, in step number 3, we should have all solved the middle layer. And of course, we have the white face on the down face. What we're going to do now in step number 4 is we're going to try to create a yellow cross. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look up on the yellow face. If you already have a yellow cross, then you're good to go. But if not, there's going to be 3 different states that we need to look at. Well, all a state is a condition of the cube, a pattern that we want to look for. Once we can identify the pattern, then we can hold the cube in the right direction and then do our 6 moves. Luckily for step number 4, the 6 moves are all the same. So again, whenever looking after solving the middle layer, let's look on the top and let's look for the state that we have. This is the first state. If you have 3 yellow going in a row, I need you to hold the cube so that here is the front face and the yellow is going across in this direction. Then we're going to do our 6 moves. Here are those 6 moves. They are front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. By doing those 4 moves from that state, we now have a yellow cross. Remember, you won't have to worry about the corners. Just make sure you have the yellow cross. Now, let's look at another state, a second state. So the first state we just went through was 3 yellow across. What if you look up top and after solving the middle layer, step number 3, you have 1 yellow? Well, if you have 1 yellow, then essentially what you need to do is do the 6 moves, which are front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. By doing those 6 moves, it leads us to another state. Here is the third state. The third state, you're going to see that we've got a shape. And what we want to do is we want to hold the cube so that we always have it in a backwards L. So this is going to be a backwards L. So if in one of the states you have this backwards L, I want you to hold it. So this is the front face. And again, up on the up face, we've got this backwards L. Then we're going to do our 6 moves. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. By doing those 6 moves, we now have come to, 3 across. When you have a state of 3 yellow across, hold it in this manner. Do your 6 moves again. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. By doing that, I now have gotten to my yellow cross. So guys, when you're dealing with step number 4, after solving step number 3, just look at the top. If you've got the yellow cross, hey, awesome for you. You don't have to do anything. You can move on to step number 5. But most times, you're going to have 3 states. You either have the 3 yellow going across, you'll have the the yellow dot in the middle, or you'll have to kind of hold the cube to get that backwards L. Make sure that you read your directions, follow the video, practice the moves, and like always, good luck. Use that growth mindset and be ready for next week's test. Later.